So I guess the right ascension is in a good position right here then. Just slewing around the declination. And it's got an arrow here showing how it should be. Alright. Okay. I'm going to stop there. I can hear a little sound from in here. Don't know if that is from the motor or if it's from the like the power modulation, or they usually have some sound to them. Sounds like it comes from the declination motor. Yeah. Actually, I'm going to shine a light in there and see what's going on. I can't see any movement from it. It's a very audible sound. You can feel it in the mount. Don't know if that's the way it's going to be. Let's hope it's normal. Alright. So let's just follow this step through and see what's going on. Okay, so time, accept. Back to edit. Yeah, it's 28. Okay, standard time, yes. So it's 12:04. Okay, so we'll do just a quick alignment here. There, stop the sound. And it's just a small sound to it. Alright, maybe we're good then. Excellent. Okay, sweet. I can't. Yeah, let's just move it. Full speed ahead. No, that is just a lovely sound. That's a lovely sound. Okay, so we changed this. Well, that's not a lovely sound, I don't know why. But anyway, hopefully it doesn't affect anything. So if we go to, let's change the speed to 5. Now I'm moving, but you can't really hear it moving. So if I press the other button the other way at the same time, we've got full speed. So that's the same as you have on the CGM. You can basically have a coarse maneuvering and fine-tuning at the same time. It's quite nice. Alright, declination. Same thing there. I can't help to start wondering about that sound from the declination motor. But it stops. Yeah. Oh, maybe I'm just edgy. Okay. Sweet. I'm gonna pull you guys up close and do that again. Oh yeah, I just noticed, maybe I got an older version of this, but the accessory tray they advertise comes with like a slot for a smartphone or tablet or something like that. And this doesn't have it, so I guess maybe, I don't know if this is an older type of mount, or the older version of this, or yeah. So, well, anyway. Oh yeah, another thing. I don't want to be complaining too much, but I noticed something like if you unclutch the right ascension and then move it, the clutch handle touches the declination motor housing. You clutch it in, it's out of the way, it can move freely by motor, but that way you have to be careful not to, well, break that little slightly fragile case. It's like one of the only pieces on this solid steel mount that is plastic, is the motor housings and the electronic housing. But yeah, that was a bit surprising.